Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp not showing in notification setting on iPhone in iOS 15.3. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Tip number 1. Uninstall WhatsApp and reinstall it. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Journal. On the Journal page, tap iPhone Storage. Scroll down, tap WhatsApp, delete app, delete button to uninstall the application from your iPhone and reinstall it. Tip number 2. Reset location and privacy. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Journal. On the Journal page, scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset location and privacy. Enter your passcode. Again, reset setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Tip number 3. Reboot your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Journal, scroll down, tap Shutdown. Now slider to power off, slider to turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Tip number 4. Force restart your iPhone. iPhone 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13 mini, 13 Pro Max. Press and hold the side button. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. Press and hold the side button. Press and hold the volume down button. iPhone 6 and 6 Plus. Press and hold the side button. Press and hold the home button. Thanks for watching this video.